Okay, let's have a look at question 17. A fairground game requires the player to catapult a ball towards a target to score points. The ball is required to reach a target a distance of 50 metres away at the same vertical height as shown. The time taken for the ball to reach the target is 2 seconds. Calculate the angle to the horizontal which the ball was launched. So we were asked to find the angle to the horizontal that the ball was launched. We're asked to find that angle. So we can work horizontally. If we can find the initial velocity horizontally and the initial velocity vertically, so I'm going to call that u vertical and u horizontal. If I can find this and this, then I can get the angle. So horizontally is the first thing to do. He's moving at a constant speed. So u horizontal is just going to be the distance over the time. So that is 50 over 2. So that is 25 meters per second. Vertically, we're going to have to use a suvat. He's accelerating at minus 9.81 meters per second squared. So we're trying to find u vertical. Now, the vertical displacement over here is 0, and the time is still 2.0 seconds. And the other thing we have, of course, is A is minus 9.81 meters per second squared. So what I've done here is I'm setting the vertical displacement as 0. So the ball goes up and down, which means that the displacement, the vertical displacement, if I were to draw this line here, over here, the vertical displacement is 0. It's gone up and back down again. That's why I'm using s equals 0. So the equation we need is s is equal to ut plus a half at squared. So what I have is 0 is equal to u vertical times 2 minus a half times 9.81 times 2 squared. So u vertical is actually a half times 9.81 times 2 squared, all divided by 2, which is actually 9.81 as our vertical velocity. So now we've got the vertical velocity here is 9.81 and the horizontal velocity is 25. So we just need to draw a triangle to calculate the angle. So my triangle is 25 this way, 9.81 this way, and we've got to get this angle. Well, it's a tan, right? The inverse tangent of 9.81 over 25. Inverse tan of 9.81 divided by 25, giving me an angle of 21.4 degrees. Okay, there we are. Thank you very much.